Hello guys, welcome to iSpecs. In this video I'm going to show you how to organize motion graphic template files in Premiere Pro. Before this video begins, consider subscribing to this channel for informative tech videos. If you have lots of .moget files with different categories imported into Premiere Pro, then you might have experienced difficulties in spotting a particular template file that you have to use in your project. That is because importing motion graphic files directly into the Premiere Pro will not create a folder or organize itself. Now I will show you how to organize .moget files into the folder with different categories or as you need and import them into Premiere Pro. First, create a main folder somewhere in your computer and name it main moget or anything you want. And remember that you should not move or delete this folder, so be precise about where to create this folder. I am creating on desktop just to show you. After creating a main folder, create subfolders inside it and name them according to the categories of your motion graphic files you have. After that, copy your motion graphic files and paste them into subfolders according to the categories. That's it, organizing moget files into different categories is done, and the final part is to import these folders into Premiere Pro, and before doing it, delete your already imported motion graphic templates. Now open Essential Graphics panel inside the Premiere Pro, right click on it and open Manage Additional Folders. Now in this window, click on Add button and then locate the main moget folder that you have created earlier. Select the subfolders one by one, then click on OK. Now a drop-down menu will be created on the Essential Graphics panel. Click on that menu and select your folder which the graphic template exists that you want to use. And that's it. Still, if you want to add more graphic files of already existed categories, you can copy them and paste them into any of the subfolders that you need and they will instantly show up in Premiere Pro. And you can also create additional folders and import them into Premiere Pro by clicking on Add button on the Manage Additional Folders panel. That's it for this video. Hope you end up liking it, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to someone who needs to know about this. Lastly, subscribe to iSpecs for more such videos and also turn on the notifications to never miss them. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.